Okay, I already made a video because I had some trouble, so I do it again. So it will be a quick one this time. VirtualBox, I installed version 7 point something, and I had the usual troubles, but they're not really troubles, they're easy to fix. 7.1.18, because I tried 6.1, which worked fine on the 25 GhostBSD install. Didn't work here. Surprise! And so what I had to do is here, let me, how do you zoom this in? I mean, I can't see this, but Control plus plus, right? Zoom in. So plus Control plus plus. Nope, doesn't do anything. So it's okay. You can see it, yeah? Sudo space nano. I had to install nano. I didn't want to use vim because I'm passing out when I use vim. And when you see, if I open this up, I added this line here. vbox driver load, yes. That seems to do it. Now I have, oh dear me, do it right. Sorry guys. I didn't do it and you can prove it. So, because you can see I have USB 3 here and my shared folder works too. So you see I can fire this up. That is my VirtualBox machine for my YouTube channel here, right? So, boink. So I'm going, oh yeah, don't show it again, switch. There we go. So just showing you, see it works up. I can show you, not the USB 3, but I can show you my local folder, which is in the virtual machine. You know what I mean, right? When you patch a folder through. And so that means everything is working fine and I'm happy with what I got here. So this is totally okay. And I think, I don't know really what it is about, but my time changed and there is no way in the world except I change it manually. Otherwise it's not changing. I can change the time zone to whatever I want. It will always show the same time zone. Whatever that is. I think it's BTC or BCT. Yeah, BCT. So that's a time zone. And I can use TZ. I show you when I got this. So first let's see this here. So you see there's my file manager. That is MX, by the way, of course. And here's usually that is my YouTube machine host video. You see that's that video. That's the one I did before. Install fix. And this is what I'm doing now because here I figured that out with the time. And I'm not happy. Right, with my time. Oh, look at this. Here it shows it right. 21:31. It didn't do it. Oh, there might be something working. It didn't do it when I fired it up before. That is interesting. Here, see, it always says 3:31, and it's not changing this time zone. So I can go in the terminal. Where's the terminal? And like this, and I can change it to whatever I want. It will not do anything at all. I changed it to UK time. Everything. I changed everything. It just, nope, it doesn't want to do it. So I'll just go cancel, get out of it because it makes no sense. But what I can do here, like this, if I can set the time, now we have, where's my phone? 22:32. Oh, okay. Oh, it did it. Okay, see now this time when I click on it, 4:32. Oh, this is not right. 22:32. So let's make it 33. CDT. Let's see what it's doing now. Ah, it's not doing anything. So I changed then for my virtual machine from UTC to local time. So that didn't do anything either. Now CDT is what I want, but doesn't seem to work here. It's just there's nothing I can do. See, I can go in here, and instead of USA Chicago, I used Canada Central, which is the same, or like North Dakota, right here West, Ontario, Manitoba, doink, doink. There it is, and nothing really happens. Yeah, it is 22. Oh, yeah, 22:33 here right now. But it's interesting. It was always setting it, and now it just doesn't do it anymore. Now that's interesting, right? 2234, let's say. And then when I went here and I clicked on it, but this might have to do that I changed the time zone on the virtual machine from UTC to local time, because I hoped it would do something. Yeah, it did 1 hour. It's ridiculous. There's no way. I googled around. There's no way. The best thing they came up with is here TZ setup, time zone setup, right, sudo. And then you get that thing what we just had, and it's not doing really anything. So, GhostBSD 26 is very buggy. You can't get it installed on lots of computers. It just doesn't install. And now I've got the time thing going on, and I think I had it after the update, but holy moly, I mean, honestly, man. And we have June the 17th, even a day ahead. Wow. Wow. So, okay, then. Let's see, because we can set date and time, right? So, how to set time? No, they will not help you here. That doesn't help much. Yeah, that's the one, I think. I want the date too. No, this, I'm not very happy with that. So where is it? Yeah, I see. I tried. I googled around. What the heck? I should have looked for the date command, right? Month, day, hour. Yeah, alright, you see, we just take this then. Where are we here? Doink! So we go here like this. I think I have one open. So, year 2026, month 06, hour 22. Day 17th? And minutes? Or is that minutes? I don't know. That's a weird time format, isn't it? 36, let's say. Let's see what it does. Yeah, illegal. Yeah, I thought so too. This is so weird. Because it's usually like this, and then you have the date before, but let's try it again here. I mean, yeah, AI. Right? Yo, so AI. Okay, this is not helping. Time and date on terminal. So that should show me the date format, shouldn't it? That looks more like it. Let's try this. Well, let's try this. I mean, we're trying things out here. It's a little bit annoying, right? Because the date format should do this actually. But I had it before set up, but now it's not working. Set time, seconds, we don't want this. Minutes is, well, just wait for that. Still 22, day is 17th or 6. Well, that's the same, isn't? No, it's not the same. 2026. And minutes, now we can put the minutes in. 38, make it 39. Oh yeah, it's BSD. Ah. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Yeah, that should work. I think that's the one. Because I did it before, but I kind of overdid it. 2026 06 17th and then we make it 22 and 40, so a little bit ahead. Doink. Oh, don't report me to the administrator. 2240. See, it's if I put date now, it shows it right here, but it doesn't show anything here. I have no clue why that. Maybe 2 hours? No, it's the same thing. Ugh. Location, weather, nothing here. Times. Oh, time. I'm already in time settings, isn't it? So yeah, I don't know what is not working here. Maybe, I don't know. So here it shows me now the proper date. You see that? Wednesday, 2240, 59. So yeah, it's running. 2026. So maybe it's just that thing here not working anymore. Well, where else can I see time? If I open, that should work, right? So let's say I go here, I go in pictures, and here create document. So, and if I right click on it, that should show me. It shows the right time. Okay, so I can live with that thing is not working. But the system time here is alright now. Yeah, okay, so it seems to have worked. Because what else? What did I do? etc. I set open the NTPTs, NTP, the time server, but the open thing, I set that. Let's see if we can. I have to open it again. I think I'm clicking here too much. Bootloader, I showed that. And I think here I set. Oh yeah, no, here I just checked everything is enabled. Yes, I played around with that too. Couldn't change anything with that. Let's see where the other one is. Nope, that was it. Okay. However, so it seems to be a problem from here and not from the BSD. The system time seems to be alright. Okay. So who knows? Glitches, right? So BSD doesn't seem to be immune just yet. But if it's just here, I mean, yes, except no, that's made. That is made. All right. But as you know, guys, I'm just happy it works. So, and you know what to do to get the VirtualBox running, right? So it seems to be easy. The additions were installed automatically. You didn't have to do anything to make this all work. So I just installed the OZ, where is it? 7.1. I'll just show you which one it was. It's all a little bit slow-ish, but well. So, nevertheless, I will try it out. So with the VirtualBox running, that is our big hurdle done. And the next one I got to do is to install what is it called? Here, this one I installed, VirtualBox. Oh, then that installed everything else. The only thing is I had to put my add my user to the user group, right? So I did that. And what else? Yeah, to load these vbox stuff, right? So I did that too. Where is it again here? So Oh, look at this. I got it open. Ah, dear me, that's too easy. So you see the bootloader. Yeah, I added vbox drive underscore load equals yes in quotes. And here is again the whole story. For Linux is this, and for BSD is that. But I put that in a different video, right? So it's not that it's not there. So it works, which is good. Undocumented, nobody here. That's okay too. And yeah, dear me, see what I'm nervous because I was working on it. Then my wife called, and I had to go up and down and blah 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 blah. Then she snapped because I'm the bad guy like usual. So I went back here as my dog snapped too. She went in the bedroom. So I'm the bad guy here. Oh well, I live with that for so long. I'm okay with that, I guess. So that is that. But so what else? Ah, yeah, hplib. That is. I made a video about that, how to install it from the ports, and I will make a video how to install Cryptometer here. That we have that too, and then it seems to be all doing all right. So I'm very happy of this running. I created that machine because I thought maybe my virtual machine was damaged by copying it back on this drive here, but it wasn't. I sorted it all out. I tons of different errors. I fired up 6.1 first, and that gave me more trouble. Couldn't fix it. Then I said, okay, dare to go to 7.1, and that was a blessed grub. And because it works, all I had to do was the let's go again. Recent. Oh yeah, I got it here in the user groups, right? Yeah, I had to add, no, not this one. Why do I have two? Here, I had to add this in loader.conf, right? So the vbox drive load. So yeah, no, good to know. Now this works. I'm very, very happy with that. And yeah, Cryptometer goes on too. Then it can go on my laptop. We won't be much flexible then anymore, but what does it mean, not flexible? That's what I really want to figure out. You know, is it just in my head or is it for real? Because most of the time what I'm doing is working online on websites, not making websites, because I have to fill stuff out there for my work, my calendar, emails, and that's what I do in the moment. Yeah, VirtualBox to upload videos. OBS, I've got that here running too, so I can record. And when I got my VirtualBox running, so I can easily upload it. So if I have something to try out, like I did under FunOS, I can do that with GhostBSD now. Doesn't seem to give me any trouble. This is a nuisance, but I can put the date away. But as you know, there's something else coming, right? GhostBSD will no longer look like that soon. It will look similar, because I'm trying things out. I want to see, and yeah, this will be interesting. And yeah, I took that picture over here from FunOS. That's a very nice picture, and I love that they didn't put their name here. Like everybody seems to put their name on it. I don't want any of those, right? So this is very nice, and it reminds me on FunOS, and FunOS is okay. And I will still have that installation video from FunOS where I think you can encrypt it. And I have another idea what I want to do, how to install Linux and stuff like that, that we install it in a more convenient way for us. So it's more manual installation, but it's all just, when you don't know how to do it, then it's complicated. Once you know how to do it, it's easy. So this is how things go, right? So okay, so yeah, this is made still. So yeah, sadly, I mean, almost nobody's looking anymore. I know somebody will. So if I go here, there is not really much. Look, we have this, and we have this, and there's no difference. And we have that. And that's a bit bright. So there seems to be not. Get more themes online. Oh yeah, it's made, that's why, right? Is that GTX 2 or 3? I don't know. So then we'll leave it. Yeah, but you see, this is a bit bright-ish, isn't it? Yeah, well, okay, it will work. But what I want to do, there seems coming with it, right? So I want to try my lightweight Windows managers, because they do the job too. And then I got my right click, 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 click. So see, that is not enough. I need more. I need more. I need to click around here with right. Okay, it's not a bad thing. So mate is not bad. Yeah, you can easily add all your stuff here, but and application place system, good enough to me. I put these things on. So all I did is everything what was on the bottom I put on the top, except the hide desktop or show desktop thing. All right. This is it, guys. Now that's the second video. I will upload it now. I hope you like it. I hope it helps somebody to get the VirtualBox running, so you're not frustrated anymore. You see my frustration. This is really just that applet here giving me trouble. And let's see, add to panel. Do I have a date and time thing? Current time and date. Okay, let's just add it. No, same thing. Preferences. No, it doesn't do anything either. See, it doesn't let you do anything. Okay. So the applet is for some reason not working as I intended to do. But this is it, guys. It's 22 minutes. It's time to go upstairs. Sandman is coming soon. And then I will listen to the mattress. Okie dokie, guys. Have a good day. Stay out of the propaganda machines. Enjoy your day. Walk into nature if you can. Take a good breather and relax. And take one day at a time. Okie dokie. And let's explore more of this stuff here. Yeah, but just a quick one here. I mean, if somebody's still listening, you see how that sticks in my head. Yeah, I'm not as flexible as on Linux. True. But for my daily driver, I don't need that flexibility. I can do everything I want. I can get FreeCAD running here. I got my 3D printing software, not Bambus Studio, but I don't need it really, because I wouldn't want to run this on a virtual machine because reasons. So I would use Orca and Persviewer or whatever that's called, right slicer, and we go from here. Yeah. Because I think it's a lot in my head and not real. So, yeah, I see I got my next slot running. Yes, I do not have my Synology nodes here. I do not have Synology drive here. But I can work around it. I have it on my phone. I can have it in a virtual machine if I really need it. So, which I want to avoid, right? I want to work with my main operating system on my daily driver. And I don't need it often, so I think I will be okay. Alright then. Okay, have a good day, have a good night, and I see you in the next one tomorrow, most likely. Okay, see you then. Bye-bye.